So, welcome to today's discussion. Uh, so, so, for today's discussion, we have uh, two types of uh, two types of or two topics that we have. First is the transactional documents, and second is the master data documents. Master data is to be continued. It is the extension of what we have seen yesterday, but this master data will be a bit different, and it is specific to TM. So we'll see how we can the master data. We'll jump onto it in the next week. Today we will take a look on what are the transactional documents that are getting created in TM. What is the document flow happening in TM? So we have a lot of things to cover on today. So and I don't want to rush into it because this is now crux of our this is the crux of TM. So we can spend we can spend a lot of time into this once these concepts are clear to you. What are the different documents? What is it called? What is the behavior of each document? How it looks like into the system? Then we will go. Then we will move ahead. So feel free if you want to discuss, if you have any doubts, if you want to discuss it in more detail. Uh, so uh, so feel free and ask questions if you have. So let us begin with today's topic. Today we will start our first transactional document called called FWO and FWQ. FWO and FWQ are nothing but forwarding order and forwarding order and forwarding quotation. So Q represents a quotation. So in TM, in typical SAP TM world, we have couple of documents that are getting created through in the SAP itself. Few of the documents are getting integrated with ECC. Few of the documents are related to TM, owned by TM. So the TM related documents that we have is we have a forwarding order, we have a forwarding quotation. Second we have is freight unit. Then we have freight order and freight booking. So then we have settlement documents. There are two types of settlements document, that is a freight settlement document and a forwarding settlement document. So as we've seen, freight settlement is always with the carrier, that is the vendor, and forwarding settlement document is always with the customer. So in LSP scenarios, forwarding settlement document is required. Forwarding order is settled with a forwarding settlement document. And we have a few more documents which are coming from ECC side. So we have a OTR, a DTR, and sometimes we have third document that comes through is like a shipment document. But shipment document, in my practical experience, I have never seen a shipment document getting integrated with TM because the shipments are being taken care in TM. So it's a duplication of work if you're creating a shipment document in ECC also. So the two documents that we'll focus will be OTR and a DTR. So OTR means order based transportation request, and DTR means delivery based transportation request. So now for today's topic, we are basically jumping into transportation requirement side of TM. So these are the documents which creates a requirement for planning. So that means when when a sales order is created, it creates a it is replicated in TM, in a standalone TM, and it creates a OTR. When a purchase order is created, it also can be integrated, creates a OTR document in TM. When an inbound delivery or outbound delivery is created, it creates a relevant DTR. So it happens in normal standard standalone TM. What happens in S/4HANA embedded system is, since everything is coming in under one roof in one client, this OTR and DTR documents are no longer required because you are just replicating your sales order. So in a standalone system, whenever sales order is created in ECC, it is replicated with exactly the same data in OTR. OTR and DTR document, you will not be able to open it into a create or change mode. You will be only allowed to open those documents in display mode in a standalone system because it is exactly the replica of sales order. But in standalone TM, but in embedded S/4HANA, it is not required. So SAP has moved ahead from the concept of OTR and DTR, but still we will actually look into the concept of OTR DTR, and we will touch base that concept of OTR DTR. Although we will not be able to see a practical example, we will see how in theory it works. Then the third requirement document that is generated, this will be in standalone TM or embedded TM, irrespective of that, you have a forwarding quotation and a forwarding order. So currently what we are emphasizing on is the transportation requirement part of which creates a plan, which generates a requirement for planning. So what is a forwarding order? So a forwarding order is basically agreement or arrangement between the LSP and the LSP and the shipper. I hope everybody we have talked in length in the first few discussions, who is a shipper and who is a consignee. So a forwarding order is like a sales order for a LSP. It's like an agreement or arrangement between the shipper and the LSP that what are the specifying what are the goods to be transported, from where these goods has to be picked up to where it has to be delivered. So these are few important features of forwarding order. So a typical LSP actually gathers the information from the trucking company. If they have their own fleet, or if they don't have their own fleet, what are the related freight orders are getting created for this forwarding order. So it gets information from trucking company, it gets information from warehousing, and it specifies what is the if this transport is intermodal or a single mode of transport, or what are the various stages that have. So a forwarding order in a forwarding order, you basically specify what mode of travel, what mode of transport that you are using. You can have forwarding order for a road, for a ship, for a rail, and for the air transport. Whenever LSP or you will be doing a global operations, they are generally multimodal. Multimodal means from land to sea, then sea to land, or land to air, air to land again. So you have various stages in your forwarding order, which specifies every stage, which captures every stage and captures every move. So which captures every move with respect to the mode of transport. So